Yo, 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 yo. Okay. No, come to where I am. It's I has rare spike, like H-A-Z. It's I has rare spike. Just come to where I am, I guess. Okay. Epic 10 time. Okay. Um, I'm just gonna do all my buddies. So, first in my list is I has rare spike, and apparently he is verbeta. Verbeta. He has a bunch of gecko plushies, and I want one because they're so cute. And then he has a bunch of lime plushies, which are also cute, but he doesn't have the color that I have. He doesn't have the gray kind. See? Doesn't have gray. Oops. And he has, like, all this. I used to have a gecko plushie, and then I recycled it. And I used to have a Howlplat when they were rarer than they were right now. And, yeah, and I recycled it because I didn't know anything about rares. So, and then he has like a beta table and everything. He has bongos and a scarecrow and Cammy's frog and beta books and a basketball and tall phantom statues and an epic plushie. And there's something over here. I have no idea what it is though. Oh, there's a blue fire drum right there. And then a little planty thingy. And he has these beta plants and everything. What? I kind of left. But oh, she has. Why are all my friends more beta than me? She is beta 1 and 4. Tell the dude to unlock his den. I will tell him. Could you? Or you could just buddy him. Could you unlock? Ugh, I'm really thirsty right now because I'm eating Whoppers and I am parched. I told him to unlock his den. Well, I asked him to. Cause she has beta 1 and 4 and like all this Lucky Party stuff. And then she has wooden floor, which is so awesome. He's not off. And this friend is beta 2. Did you know either you could have colored that when it was rare, but when it was a rare item. Whoa, that is so epic. Like he has all these trees, and then look. Woo! I've been his friend for so long. I've been his buddy, not really his friend, but yeah. I've been his buddy, and he has a hot cocoa machine and everything in a fat place, and I really like this den. Wait, this is beta wooden floor. Oh, whoa, this looks cool. I love being a cheetah. Wait, do your play thing. I want to see the ninja kicks. Pew! 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 Yeah, dang it. Pew! Okay. Awesomeness Epic 123 is on. Now I need to check out her den. Who is Taco5661? No, I buddied her. But still, who is she? Oh, that makes sense. Cause Brittany was she's the tall girl in our grade. So yeah, I was like I don't know. I just couldn't think of her. I think of Alicia and Marty. I don't know. Miss Maraca. I don't know. Miss I know. Okay. Okay, now I need to go to my other buddies then. No! I'm being, I'm being really loud right now, and everybody else here is really quiet, and I'm just like yelling right now. Yeah, it's definitely like that. What if? I'm gonna put this in a jamagram. I don't want to say it out loud. Large. I can't say the name. Okay. That makes no sense, but you're gonna have to live with that because I can't really. Oh, this is kind of a nice den. She has a tree house and stuff in it. I feel like all my friends have beta wooden floor. Unless it like went in stores and everything. Mm. It's, yeah. Music is awesome. Take off the S. Yeah. Have I been to Meeble123s then? Yeah, I have. Okay. Random 01. Oh, look. Yeah, that would be kind of weird though. I can't believe you're just like, I hate you to him. Okay. You have a beta tail. Bleh. Oh, wait. I need to do. Beta. I need a Greeley desk. Really. That mesh brain. Okay. But no, Matt, I need to do something. Oh, sorry. Okay. I really need a Greeley's desk because, yeah. Okay. Now, Sillygirlhawaii's done. Woohoo! I never knew that you could go on this part of the thing. Like, come to your den. Come to your den. I keep scrolling down and I'm gonna get a huge stomach ache because I keep eating all these Whoppers. I never knew you could go there until like I don't know, a couple weeks ago when Eat Ham and I were at your den. Do you know who I'm talking about? Eat Ham. Yeah. Why? He swore in class? What did he say? Well, don't like say it, but he probably just like didn't mean to. Well, I know that he kind of does that, but Hi, Midnight Blue. Okay. Oh, Midnight and Blue. That makes more sense. Anywho, that. Oh, you have like a bunch of pets up here. I didn't notice that. What if you could go up there? That'd be so awesome if you could go in that little spot right here. Oh wow. Let me run over there. Pew! Pew! Die pie. I always thought PewDiePie. Um, PewDiePie was PewDiePie. But a freedom bunny. What? What? Is it a plushie? Oh, those are cute. Cute. Like that's a dog, just so you know. Oh, anywho, I need to go to where Murmur Sweetie's then. I like Sweetie's a good friend too. The stores probably are. Anywho, she's had better dens before. Yeah, she's had better dens. Oh look, Clover table. Nice. Why do they come out with something that I really want? I got I got both of the nesting dolls. They're really cool. Why? What stuff? What do you mean? Sure. Here, I already have one of these. It's very beta. Ah! Eat ham is here. Ha ha ham. Cheetah and snow leopard. Yeah. Well, yeah, of course he's annoying in class, but that's only with Noah. Er, I mean, Noma. Nookie. Hama. Hama got me membership card. I'm not gonna say who. I'm not gonna say who Hama is, so, cause I don't. Yeah, totally. No, her mom said that they just should probably get a smaller thing or something. I don't know. But hmm. Well, I don't know. Cool. Okay, that was so weird. I told him that I was like I was making a video, and then he's like, "Cool, yay!" Oh wow. Wait. Are you recording this? Okay, good. Wow. Yeah. Woohoo. Oh, I love doing that. Oh, dang it. I always get